Hello everyone, my name is Pimaman Nisarapan. Today I will be presenting the Fandom police case when Japanese copyright laws meet fan cultures. It's a real incident that began with one simple email to Konami and it changed the way people talk about cosplay and copyrights. So before we begin, let me share a little bit background about Silent Hill F. Silent Hill F is the latest game in Konami's horror franchise. Set in 1960s Japan and written by Ryukishi07, its haunting design inspired many cosplayers even before its release. And that's where our story begins. A few weeks ago, one fan reportedly from Thailand, inspired by the game, emailed Konami asking if they could use Silent Hill F characters for commercial cosplay. Konami replied politely and firmly, no commercial use is allowed. That one email spread quickly on Facebook and people started calling it the Fandom police case. Suddenly, fans were confused and worried. Does this mean we can't cosplay anymore? So legally, Konami did nothing wrong. In fact, they were absolutely right. They are required to protect their intellectual property rights, but culturally, the response hurt fans deeply. For years, cosplay and fan arts have existed in gray zone, a space where companies often choose not to enforce their rights too strictly, because they know it helps promote their works and strengthen the community. It's a silent agreement. The company gets free publicity and fans get to express their creativity. So, people describe this case as legally right but culturally sad. Under Japan's Copyright Act, characters are protected as artistic works. This means the company owns exclusive right to reproduce, adapt, and distribute those designs. Private or non-commercial cosplay is usually tolerated, but once money is involved, such as selling photos or joining paid events, it becomes commercial use and a clear violation for copyright law. In that sense, Konami's response was logically right. After after similar cases, some companies like Square Enix and Sega released fan content guidelines to let fans create safely under clear limits. So now, let's look at this another legal angle in partnership law. In cosplay events, people often work together like partners: cosplayer, choreographer, and event organizer. They share resources, time, and profits, which means they also share responsibility. If one partner violates copyrights, the other might be jointly liable. This shows how important clear agreements and communication are even in creative collaborations. Let's say if a real dispute ever happens, say between economies in Japan and cosplay group in Thailand, it could be resolved peacefully through ADR. Mediation and arbitration allow both parties to find solutions without going court and damaging their relationship. So let's thank to Singapore Convention on Mediation in 2019. These international settlements can even be enforced legally in both Japan and Thailand. So law and creativity can truly coexist without conflicts. So in this case show that laws and love don't have to fight. Economies was right by law and fans were right by passions. The best future is when both sides coexist through fair partnership, clear communication, and peaceful solution like mediation. Because protecting creativity should never be killing it. Thank you.